Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this vinyl and wood hanger, both from Dollar Tree. I start by painting the entire hanger with plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and I gave it full coverage. Next I'm taking this stencil as well as Pixie Spray, both from Amazon. I spray the Pixie Spray on the back of the stencil, let it dry for a minute, and then place it on to my hanger with a stencil brush and very minimal black chalk paint on the brush. I stencil that on, giving it a couple coats. I remove the stencil, dry it completely, and then use a small paintbrush to fill in the gaps left by the stencil. I then take the vinyl and I'm lining it up where I'm gonna be placing it down and cut it a little bit longer than the hanger. I then remove part of the backing and stick it down where I need to place it, and then continue removing the backing, smoothing it out as I go. Once I have it attached, I use my micro sander to remove the excess vinyl. And then I'm making a bow. I'm taking this 1.5 inch wired ribbon. I made a loop in the ribbon that measured about 9.25 inches. I then wrap it around itself until I have 4 loops on either side. I cut off the excess ribbon and then fold that in half to get my center point, and then cut a V shape on either side. And then take a piece of twine and wrap it around where I had made those notches. Pull that twine nice and tight, wrap it around another time, and then knot it a couple times in the back. And then open up the loops and then spread them apart. And then make another one with a different design ribbon. This one I made a little bit smaller. I made it about 8 inches. And then flatten back out the larger loops, and I wrap the twine from the smaller bow on top of that one and connect the two. Next, I add back in a twine hanger. I push the twine from the back to the front, make a knot, and then cut off the excess twine and do the same thing on the other side. And this is one of the newer hangers from Dollar Tree, so it's a little bit thicker, so I used my smallest staples I had and stapled on top a few of the ribbon loops so it won't go through the back. And the last thing I do is just open up all those loops on the bow. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.